So hey guys, welcome to today's fantastic concept, Black Stacks, empowering digital trade excellence. You can also visit their official website which is blackstacks.com, whose link is given in the description box. We will discussing the company profile of BlackStacks, a next generation trading company that deliver intelligent, reliable and high performance trading solutions. This company is specialized in digital assets trading, algorithm strategies, and market intelligence. BlackStacks combines advanced technology and deep market expertise to help traders maximize their profit and minimize risk. Whether you are an individual trader or an institution, BlackStacks provides a seamless, secure, and scalable trading environment. Let's talk about the company's mission and vision. At BlackStacks, our mission is to reshape the global landscape of trading and investing. We want to create a trusted trading platform that's not just large in size but also an example of innovation and empowerment. Next, we will talk about arbitrage revenue generation, consistent earning with arbitrage strategies, AI-powered arbitrage execution, and scaling your arbitrage profits. And similarly, friends, you can start your earning journey with just $100 or a above amount. Upon entering this business, you will have 5 types of income, that is raffle bonus, team bonus, profit share bonus, team profit share bonus, and reward bonus. We will discuss these in details, starting with the first one, raffle bonus, where you will earn 5% on every direct raffle. To receive this income, self-activation is required and the income will be created your wallet instant. Next, let's look at the team bonus, where you will earn income from 2nd to 10th level. Here how it works. First level, direct raffle count. Second level, 3% income, 2 direct raffle required. Third level, 2% income, 3 direct required. Fourth level, 1% income, 4 direct required. Fifth level, 1% income, 5 direct required. Sixth level, 1% income, 6 direct raffle required. And 7 to 10th level, 0.5% income, 7 to 10 direct raffle required for each level. Next, let's discuss the profit share bonus, which ranges from 7 to 20% of your investment amount on a monthly basis. The next income streams is the team profit share bonus, which is 30%. This bonus is earned from the team profit share of your downline profit share bonus. Moving forward, friends, let's discuss the reward bonus, which is earned based on your rank. The first rank is star level 1, where you will receive $100 as a reward after completing a team of 10 active members and 1,000 in a business. The silver rank is at the second level, where you will receive $300 as a reward after completing a team of 50 members and $5,000 in business. The gold rank is at the third level, where you will receive $500 as a reward after completing a team of 100 members and $20,000 in business. And the platinum rank is at the 4th level, where you will receive $1,000 as a reward after completing a team of 300 active members and $50,000 in business. The diamond rank is the 5th level, where will you receive $1,500 as a reward after completing a team of 1,000 members and $1 lakh in business. The double diamond rank is at the 6th level, where will you receive $5,000 reward as a completing a team of 3,000 active members and $15 lakh in business. The crown diamond rank is at the 7th level, where will you receive $15,000 reward after completing a team of 5,000 active members and $20 lakh in business. You can also read the notes on the screen for more information. After the 7th level reward, 1% profit sharing. The first reward is qualified after 10 directs. Only active direct are eligible. Similarly, friends, you can see our achievement tours, also known as Bonanza. Here the business targets are as follows: $2,500 business target with a 10 days time limit, $5,000 business target with a 15 days time limit, and $10,000 business target with a 20-day time limit, and $25,000 business target with a 30-day time limit, and $50,000 business target with a 60-day time limit. Now let's discuss the company's terms and conditions. Minimum deposit $100, minimum withdrawal $10. Withdrawal charges 10%. Withdrawal every Saturday. For withdrawal and deposit, use WEB20 USDT only. After 2.5x free top-up is required. Inactive IDs will be blocked after 7 days. Only active direct will be eligible for reward, bonus and tours. For more information, you can visit the company's official website or contact your upline directly. So start your journey today and get the chance to earn lakhs and crore. Thanks for watching.